All right. This is the easiest way that I can show how to at least get an approximate idea of where profit targets could be going when something is moving. So first, we're going to go to TradingView. We are going to go to the third toolbar down on the left here and click on that little arrow. We want to go to the trend-based fib extension. So we're going to set up the tool first because the default settings suck because they look like this. You're going to use 3 clicks. So your first click is going to be here, your second here, and then your third is going to bring this up. Now you see all of these colored lines here. They're very annoying. I don't like them. Get rid of them. I'm going to double click anywhere on the tool and uncheck everything except the 382, the 618, and the 0.5. And also get rid of the background. We want the lines to extend to the right. And we want on the bottom here, the fib levels based on a logarithmic scale. All right, now it should look like this, and that's fine. You can delete this. Next thing we need to do is identify a move that we want to project a profit target off of. Cardano's a pretty good one to look at right now because Cardano's got a bull flag on it. This is a pretty common pattern that shows up. It's a bullish continuation pattern. Next step is we really want to know how to use the tools. So we're going to go back to that third toolbar on the left, and I'm going to look at the swing up that was before the flag formed. So I'm just going to go here. You can use the body or the wick. Some people will scream and say, oh, you have to use one or the other. My first click, remember we do 3, 1, and then we go up to the top here, the highest close, which is this bar here, 2. And then I'm going to bring it down to the swing low. I'll go to the wick on that one, 3. There's one thing I forgot to keep on here. So double click on the middle, keep the 1, which is the 100%, and then the 1618. You'll see that the 100% range is up here at 0.815, 81 and a half cents. That is a good first level to take a peek at when we are looking at identifying profit targets. That doesn't mean 81 and a half cents is where it's going to go, and that is the profit target, but it should give you an idea, hey, if Cardano breaks out, it starts to get a lot of gas behind it, starts moving crazy, that is a good zone to look at. So if that matches your risk management strategy, your trade strategy, this is the easiest way I know of to identify an initial profit target zone. Thank you.